If you're planning a hike or trekking adventure, you'll want to make sure you have the best gear and make the most of your experience. From compasses and maps to first aid kits and emergency whistles, there are a number of essential gadgets that every hiker should have. But with so many options on the market, it can be tough to know what to pack. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we've put together a list of the best trekking gadgets to help you get prepared for your next big adventure. So whether you're looking for the perfect pair of hiking boots or the latest in GPS technology, we've got you covered. On number 1, we have Garmin inReach Mini. You're able to send SMS, monitor your waypoints at present intervals, and even send SOS messages if it becomes necessary. This particular Garmin gives you these capabilities. It connects to your phone by Bluetooth, and you can use the Earthmate app to get topographic maps and US NOAA charts. Additionally, it is compatible with Apple and Android devices. The most important limitation is that in order for it to operate, you need to have a membership plan via Garmin's website. At this time, the price for their yearly plan is $24.95 per month, while the price for their Freedom plan, which needs a minimum commitment of 30 days, is $34.95 per month. This subscription level enables a maximum of 40 text messages to be sent each month, unlimited SOS notifications, and monitoring intervals of 10 minutes or more. Scroll down a little further, and you'll see that we've got you covered with regard to that recommendation. The inReach Mini can be powered using either a power bank or a solar charger. It is important to remember to store the device away from your pack so that the antenna may remain exposed to the atmosphere. When you send a text message, it will include your current coordinates, which is one of the app's most useful features. For the sake of everyone's peace of mind, you may ensure that your friends and family are aware of precisely where you are at all times. Because of its low weight of 4.23 ounces, it is referred to as a mini. Because the SOS function is interactive, in the event that you need assistance, you'll be linked to another person around the clock. They will also stay in contact with your emergency contacts to ensure that those people are aware of everything that is happening. However, you should be aware that you may get a fee for any rescue attempts that are made. There is the option to purchase insurance, and GEOs also provides memberships and programs that may assist reduce the overall cost. On number 2, we have Berghaus waterproof overtrousers. These lightweight waterproof overtrousers from Berghaus have a zip at the bottom of each leg, so you can easily slip them on over heavy, muddy walking boots at the first sign of a deluge, without getting mud on the inside of the trousers and without having to faff around taking your boots off. These overtrousers also have a hood that can be pulled up over the head for additional protection from the elements. When you go trekking in the winter, you shouldn't forget to bring along a pair of waterproof pants, since they will help you keep more of your body heat. If you are determined to enjoy the great outdoors regardless of the weather, then you should invest in a pair of overpants that are waterproof and can be crumpled up and stored in the bottom of a knapsack. This might very well become your new best friend. You may choose the leg length that you want, and there are distinct cuts designed specifically for men and women. On number 3, we have GoPro Hero10. The GoPro Hero10 is the company's most advanced and powerful action camera to date. It is capable of recording video in 5.3K resolution, taking images with 23 MP, and has been improved to operate better in low light. In addition to that, it has GoPro's most recent iteration of their hyper-smooth video stabilization technology, which is version 4.0. However, one of the most impressive new features is the Quick app. This enables you to wirelessly transmit your films and photographs to the app instantly, and then begin editing them right away, making it perfect for hikers who are always on the go. If you are concerned about harming your camera or phone while you are out hiking, the GoPro is an excellent choice to consider. In addition, if you want to take pictures of the dawn but can't quite bring yourself to get out of bed, you can program the GoPro to begin recording on its own at the specified time. Even time lapses may be captured with it. On number 4, we have Whistle. It's the kind of hiking accessory you pray you'll never need, but if you find yourself in a situation where you do, you'll be glad you have it. It is crucial, particularly in the event that you find yourself wounded or lost in the fog or cloud, since it might be the difference between being lost and being discovered. This Seiki whistle from Venture Zone is capable of producing a volume that is more than 100 decibels, will float in water, and has a clip that allows you to simply connect it to your gear. However, there is also a convenient lanyard hole for those who like to use one. On number 5, we have a towel with minimal weight. Towels designed specifically for outdoor activities, such as hiking and camping, often use some kind of microfiber and are very absorbent. This hiking towel from Amazon comes with a convenient bag that has a corner zipper pocket where you can store your phone and slash or keys. They are perfect for those times when you come across a stream and decide to take a brief swim in it. Take it out of the case and use it to line the bottom of your bag if you're having trouble finding enough room for anything else. It is even available in a total of 8 various colors, in addition to 5 distinct sizes. On number 6, we have the Garmin eTrex 32X as a handheld GPS system. Handheld GPS devices are something geologists and engineers are likely extremely acquainted with, and the Garmin eTrex 32X is one of the most capable models available. You should program your waypoints into the GPS device before you go out on your journey. Waypoints might be things like the parking lot, a cafe along the path, the summit of the mountain, or the center of a local hamlet. Then, once you are out in the world, your Garmin eTrex 32X will utilize satellites to inform you which way to go and how long you still have to go. You don't need to have a mobile connection in order to use it since it relies on satellites. This makes it an excellent choice for when you are out in the middle of nowhere. Because it is both tough and waterproof, you won't have to worry about your equipment becoming damaged if you put it in a pocket or backpack because it can withstand the elements. On number 7, we have Sawyer's Squeeze Water Filtration System. If you like going on longer treks that span many days or backpacking excursions, it is imperative that you have a strategy for how you will get water while you are out in the wilderness. During your walks, you may not always have access to clean water for drinking, so what do you do in that case? Rather than lugging about all of your water and straining your back, you could save yourself some trouble and money by purchasing a portable water filter. A fantastic illustration of this is the Sawyer Squeeze, which is a method for filtering water. Using this filter, you will quickly be able to transform the water that is found in lakes, rivers, and streams into water that is fit for human consumption. When you filter water using a Sawyer Squeeze, you may eliminate 99.9% of bacteria and protozoa, in addition to removing 100% of microplastics from the water. As a result of its compact size and low weight, just 3 ounces or 85 grams, the Sawyer Squeeze is well suited for use on hikes. In addition to its small size, it has a high degree of versatility since the filter may be installed in a wide variety of various combinations. Well, that's all for today. In case you enjoyed today's video, kindly like and subscribe to the channel.